Okay. Now we'll start with a new topic, that is cat breeds and management. Okay. As you all know, cat belongs to family Felidae. It is said that cat is only feline which has been domesticated. Hmm? You might be knowing so many important felines, wild felines. What are those animals?
Yeah.
Huh? Wild felines?
Leopard,
Tiger, leopard,
Tiger,
tiger,
deer,
leopard,
lion, lion,
jaguar.
leopards. These are
jaguar.
wild felines.
Yes,
And domestic feline is what? Cat.
and
Cat.
These
cat.
feline species famous for what? Feline species are famous for their acute sense of smell.
Yes,
Hmm.
leopard और फिर panther दोनों अलग अलग होता है.
Same.
एक ही होता है, एक ही.
Same. Both are same. They are famous for acute sense of smell and very good predator they are. And one more thing, what? Retractable claws. Retractable claws. Even in domestic cats, retractable claws are present. Retractable claws means
वही
normally
जरूरत के समय
claws
निकल
नाखून
जाएगा.
normally
नाखून
claws are under the beneath the skin. But when these predators used to attack on prey, these come sort of underneath the skin and kills the prey, or damages the prey. Okay. Then this cat belongs to class Mammalia under order Carnivora, genus Felis, family Felidae, scientific name Felis domesticus. There are 71 breeds across the world, which is being recognized by International Cat Association. But only few are found in India as well as domesticated in India. And these breeds are mainly classified based on their hair coat, whether they are having long hair coat or short hair coat. Means they are broadly classified into two groups depending upon the nature of their hair coat. Okay. Accordingly, just you can see here, long hair coat cats are Angora, Birmans, you see, Chinchilla, you see, UK based, Cream. These are all long hair coat cats. You see, Tabby and Japanese bobtail. You see, these are long hair tail cats. Then you see short hair coat cats. Abyssinians, Siamese, American short hair. And accordingly, based on their hair coat, management operations also depend on that their hair coat. Like if short hair coats are there, then you don't have to take so much time on their management of hair. These animals clean their coat himself or herself. No need to worry on that. But long hair coat animals, you have to take care of something. American hair coat, then Manx, Rex, you see, these are short hair coat cats. British blue, Manx, these are short hair coat cats. Hmm. Now come to the popular cats, which are found in India. One more thing, you must have seen in Hollywood movies. One famous cat, that was what? Persian cat, which is very much prevalent in where? In UK, US, France. Persian cats, you might have seen that movie, no? That Stuart Little, huh? Have you seen that
Yes,
movie?
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Stuart
sir.
Little. Ah, that Persian cats. Hmm. Just you see popular cats like Angura. Huh? They are smallest cats with blue or amber coat, amber color eyes. Probably first cat introduced in France. Their hair coat is long, fine, and soft. Uh, White color is dominant, common, and supposed to be purity. Characteristic feature is what? Presence of tuft in between the toes. See, this is Angora goats. Characteristic feature is presence of tuft in between the toes. Generally of white color, and the other colors are also present, but predominant color is white.
Sir, tough क्या?
The gucha, Abyssinian. This is a small hair coat cat. Uh, this breed was introduced in Britain nearly 150 years ago. Abyssinian is nearly full uh, brown, brown with black or dark brown markings. Head long, pointed. One more thing. This short hair coat. These cats are generally or longer, slender than long hair coat cats. Here you see head is long and pointed, eyes broad at base and are green or yellow. Intelligent cat and doesn't like confinement. You see again long hair coat cat, Japanese bobtail. See name itself shows bobtail. You see characteristic feature of breed is longer hind limbs than front, but little bit angle towards front side. You see, so that body is at good level during standing. Common color is black with red orange spot on white background. Tail is extremely short or absent. That's why it's called bobtail. This is Japanese bobtail. Hmm. Then you see some more Persian cat. You see cute cats. Derived from Angora. Hmm. Basically, origin is from Iran, Persia, but mostly further improvement has been done at US, France, Spain. Hmm. Cat having derived from Angora, long flowing silky coats. ये जो अपने यहाँ लगा था कैट फेयर उसमें भी आया था जी, देखे थे? ऑलमोस्ट
यस सर,
बहुत सारा वैरायटी का
देखे थे।
कैट आया था उसमें।
यस
लॉन्ग
सर,
हेयर
देखे थे।
कोट, हाँ लॉन्ग हेयर कोट और शॉर्ट हेयर कोट दोनों था ना? अभी
ये
देखो,
भी आया था पर्सन,
हाँ
अंगोरा भी आया था,
अंगूरा भी था, पर्शियन भी था,
ये भी था।
टैबी भी था। हाँ, the long flowing silky coat, ears are short and bill set apart. ये अभी फीचर समझना है एनिमल का, उसको पहचानने का मोटा मोटी देखना है कैसे पहचाने। बेसिकली वी कैन हाउ वी कैन रिकॉग्नाइज these animals, their outlook से, hair coat से, है ना, ये सब से हम देख सकते हैं. Legs and tails are short, but tail is full of fluffy hairs. Tail देखो कैसा है, फ्लफी फ्लफी, पूरा बॉडी ही एकदम वो है, भरा हुआ. Prominent color is white along with other common colors like cream, red, blue, etc. Then you see Siamese cat, basically originated at where? Has Burmese origin, very popular intelligent breed. You see here again, body is slender, long and graceful. Eyes are usually blue and almond shaped. Ears are long, pointed and open at the base. Legs are long and slim. Coat color is creamy. Okay. Legs are long and slim. Coat color creamy with different shades like blue, chocolate, red, etc. Similarly, you may find some more breeds here, like tabby. This looked like our domestic cat, no? Our household cat, tabby. This is most popular all over the world. This cat is light brown or grey in color with darker stripes, occasionally showing white patches on lower muzzle, belly or chest. Okay. Tabby. Then again, I am giving you all an assignment for what? On cat breeds. अभी बहुत सारे बच्चे जमा नहीं किए ये असाइनमेंट. ये प्रैक्टिकल में इम्पोर्टेंट है, जिसका इसका नहीं रहेगा वो दिक्कत हो जाएगा. समझ रहे हो? रूप नारायण, हेलो, कोई है?
यस सर.
जमा कैसे करना है?
जमा कैसे करना मतलब जैसे और बच्चों से नहीं बात होता है कि जैसे लोग कर रहे हैं बाबू जमा, ऑनलाइन ही करना है. तुम व्हाट्सएप पे भेजो मेरे पे, सबका रोल नंबर लिखा जा रहा है.
सर बट मेरे पास तो लैपटॉप नहीं है.
लैपटॉप नहीं है तो पेज पे लिखो ना, 4 लाइन, 10 लाइन, 20 लाइन, 2 पेज, 1 पेज लिख के भेजो, नाम रोल नंबर, है ना.
ठीक है सर.
Now we will start with cat breeding. Rupnayan, again one more duty I am giving to you. Same.
Yes, sir.
Just you collect assignment on dog breeds. Just you give assignment for what?
On cat breed.
On cat breed.
breed.
यही सब रहेगा जो तुम लोग को नंबर देगा, ठीक है. प्रैक्टिकल समझो कि हो रहा है उसी तरह से. Then we start with cat breeding. Usually cats get matured at age of 5 to 6 months. Their gestation period is again similar to what? Dogs, which is around 60 to 65 days, and litter size ranges from 3 to 7 kittens at a time. Breeding cat, male adult cat is known as what? Tom, and female adult cat is known as queen, and their offsprings are known as or called kittens. क्या समझे? Tom, queen and kittens. ठीक है. Gestation period 60 to 65 days. Litter size 3 to 7 at a time. Eyes of kittens are closed up to 10 days after birth. Similarly, kittens are deep also for some period. It means in earlier days you have to take care most. Eyes of kittens are closed up to 10 days, and they are deaf also. Cat prefers to keep young ones in dark and quiet corners. If possible, better to provide a separate house to them. Weaning can be carried out similar to dogs, 6 to 7 weeks. In dog, at what week we were binned at binned? Weaning age क्या था dog में?
सर
सर
सेपरेट
यही था सर
5 weeks. 5 weeks.
मदर से
7 to 8
नहीं
weeks,
सर
है ना?
7 to 8 यस सर
Similarly, you see in cat also gestation period also matching. Even kitten size
Yes,
like
sir.
that, pup size same, it's matching. Feeding age also matching. Yearly we can get how many liters? 3 liters. And each liter how many kittens are there? 3 to 7. Hmm. Similarly, housing of cats. Actually, in case of cats, they are very good. They can comfortably live in our house along with owners. But even then, if possible, better to provide separate house. Huh? Therefore, it can be broadly classified into two groups. One is indoor and second one is outdoor. Housing should have warm, comfortable bed with free access for exercise. In all animals, same things applies here also. Huh? A house made from cane or wood or plywood box or packing case with straw or newspaper form an adequate ideal housing and bed. Newspaper beddings can be changed twice or thrice a week or spoiled beddings as per need. अगर वो खराब होता है तो आप जल्दी चेंज करोगे है ना. The general management of cats, you see, to prevent aesthetic nature of long hairs of coat, daily grooming is needed. Daily grooming is needed. Otherwise, hairs may form lump and mite infestation may occur. If this lump continues or it become like mat, then what you have to do? Clipping. It is advisable to clip those hairs, matted hairs. Okay. Cats should not be locked in house alone without companion during the day. Otherwise, they can cause destruction and spoilage of household materials. So, see one more advantage of short hair cats. Short hair cats do not require grooming because they clean their coat by licking. But it is advisable to practice combing once a day, which avoids falling of hairs in home. If you are keeping your pets in your house, then you have to take care of these things. Some exercise you also have to do, na? If you are keeping your pets with you. Short hair cats don't require grooming because they clean their coats by licking. Even then, it is advisable to practice combing once a day. Similarly, it is not possible to train cats as that of dogs. There is one more problem, you see. Basically, cats are feral animals. Feral animal means if generally they are domesticated, but if they will get such type of environment, they may show their wild symptoms. It means complete domestication is still awaited. That type of animals is called feral animals. Therefore, it is not possible to train cats as that of dogs for various commands. However, they can be instructed and made obedient for toilet manners. Then come to feeding of cats. This is very important aspect of cat rearing. As you know, cat cannot digest dry food in large amount. They need ample amount of water, otherwise there are chances of kidney failure. Actually, these animals they usually consume more protein. Their instinct and their feeding habit is like that. They usually consume more protein, and if they will consume more protein, certainly they have to drink more amount of water. Huh? And here also they cannot digest dry food in large amount. They need ample amount of water. ठीक है? Normal food is half cup of milk and 80 grams of cooked meat and some biscuits. Natural food of cat is freshly killed rats or mouse by herself. Means a good here see instinct. Hence daily meat in their food is necessary. Just you see further a bowl of full of clean butter is also being given to the cat. Generally red or white meat or fish is adequate in raw or cooked form for feeding of cats. Mixing of meat with green vegetables are also in practice. Since cats cannot synthesize vitamin A, green vegetables like carrot can fulfill this need. You see, cat cannot synthesize vitamin A, therefore you have to add vitamin A in their diet externally in the form vegetables like carrot or vegetables having xanthophyll or carotene. Okay. Similarly, eggs, fish, cheese with a small amount of laxative facilitate normal digestion. These all dog husbandry or you see cat husbandry. These are luxury things, not for basic thing like dairy farming or poultry farming. Then, if you are doing luxury, then you have to take the burden of those animals as well. Huh? The whole milk of cow cannot be digested by cat. Hence, it should be diluted with water. You see, interesting thing. Whole milk. Whole milk, you mean say? What do you mean by whole milk? Hmm?
Mm. Milk without water.
Concentrated.
Natural milk.
Natural milk coming out of it.
तो वो कैट तो पचा नहीं पाती है तो क्या करते हैं उसमें?
पानी मिलाता है.
हाँ. Daily food requirement is around 25 gram per kg of body weight. You see, therefore, on an average, cat being 4 to 5 kg requires how much food? 110 to 115 gram of food daily. You see, here daily food requirement is what? Around 25 gram per kg. तो कैट का वजन कितना होता है जनरली? 4 से 5 kg होता है. उसी हिसाब से हम फूड को देते. मनोज मलिक ऐड नहीं हो पाता ना. Then you see feeding of kitten. Next topic is feeding of kittens. A newborn kitten is fed on mother's milk up to 7 to 8 weeks of age, or you can say up to weaning age. A newborn kitten is fed on mother milk up to weaning age, which is around 7 to 8 weeks of age, or 6 to 7 weeks, you see. After this, slowly it can be offered fortified cow's milk with glucose or dried milk powder. Orphaned kitten can be reared with fostering. बहुत बार बता चुका हूँ फोस्टरिंग बहुत सारे सेंस में है ना. कैसे फोस्टरिंग करते हैं, क्या केयर करना चाहिए, सब बता चुका हूँ, है कि नहीं? डॉग में भी बताया, रैबिट में भी बताया. हेयर ऑल्सो ऑर्फन किटन. जो भी एनिमल है, अगर ज्यादा किटन या ज्यादा बच्चा पैदा कर रहा है तो देयर में भी चांसेस ऑफ ऑर्फनिंग. Cow milk as a whole is too strong for kitten, hence diluted milk or baby milk powder with double the quantity of butter is suitable. Huh? Kittens should be fed every 3 to 4 hours with bottle, and rubbing of kitten's belly. You see one important aspect. Rubbing of kitten's belly after sucking the milk helps in stimulating digestive system for digestion, as well as urination and passage of stool. You see, जैसे छोटे बच्चे को करते ह्यूमन में क्या करते हैं, जब छोटा होता बेबी तो दूध पिलाने के बाद उसको सहलाते हैं इस कंधे पे रख के, कि ताकि उसका जो भी गैस है या डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम है इम्प्रूव करे और बेटर डाइजेशन हो. Similarly in cat also, running of kitten's belly after sucking the milk helps in stimulating digestive system for digestion, as well as urination and passing of stool. ठीक है. Now you can see vaccination schedule for cats. This is also very important. If you are rearing your cats at your home, then you have to take care of these things also. If you are keeping dogs as well as cats along with you, then you should follow the vaccination schedule which is being given here. You see, for feline panleukopenia, for feline herpes virus infection, for rabies and feline calcivirus infection. You see, vaccines are available in the market. Dose is also being given. These vaccines, these are mostly annual vaccines, which is being given once for a year. These you have to follow. Then again, as I told you in dogs, similarly cats have also some vices like flying bird catching. You see, fly bird catching. You must have seen some cats usually run behind the birds, running behind the birds. In spite of good feeding, cats' natural habit kills birds. Some cat develops habit of catching flies. It should be prevented by what? If they are hungry, then they may run behind the birds. Or you may train your cats like that. You see, a spraying again is a bad habit. You see what they do, mostly unconcentrated toms spray their urines to mark the territory. This is intentional act rather than emptying out bladder. You see, in house they spray on curtains or walls, which leaves persistent bird smell. As it is difficult to get rid of this habit, such cats should be kept outside. That's why separate house is suggested. This is natural instinct of those cats. It may be improved by some training, but if it persists, better to keep them outside. These are all vices. Similarly, you see some more vices. Coprophagy, you see, even in dogs as well. I told you these things. Eating of on fishes. These vices may be due to imbalanced feeding, deficiency of phosphorus, or sometimes worm infestation. Then if you will take timely preventive measures, then you can correct the vice. Then you see shouting again is a problem. Gurgling or making loud noise at the time of stress or mating. This is again a vice. Excessive confinement or need of sex partner are the reasons for this vice, which may be dealt accordingly. Similarly, cannibalism. Cannibalism also you can see here. Cannibalism what? Eating up their own kittens. You see. Then what is the control measures? Just separation of kittens soon after queening. And close wash is remedy to control the vice. Then what are the vices I told you? First one is fly bird catching.
Bird catching.
Then
Spraying.
Then coprophagy.
Coprophagy.
Then sorting.
Shouting.
Then cannibalism.
Cannibalism.
And most of these vices can be controlled. They are all
Yes.
controllable vices which can be controlled by sometimes by birth weaning, sometimes by keeping animals separate from your household, sometimes by proper feeding, you see, uh, and sometimes by proper training. Okay, that's all from cat, you see. Then what I told till now, we discuss about cat breeds, which is being classified into two groups,
Long hair and short hair.
generally based on hair coat. One is long hair coat, other one is short hair coat. Long hair coat breeds are like Chinchilla, Angora, then Persian, Burman, Cream, Tabby, Japanese Bobtail. Then short hair breeds are Abyssinian, Siamese, American short hair, Rex, German Rex, Manx of United Kingdom. You see, British Blue. These breeds are short hair breeds. Similarly, further we discuss about something characteristics of these breeds like Angora, then Abyssinian, Japanese Bobtail, Persian, Siamese, Tamese. Then we read about their breeding aspect, cat breeding aspect. Then their housing, then general cat management, then cat feeding, vaccination schedule, and their vices. In this way, we have almost completed cat and dog management. You see, in earlier class also, we had finished dogs, dog management, care and management of dogs. Now we have finished cat management. Till then, till now, what we have finished? We have finished laboratory animals, then rabbit, then dogs, and then cat. And again, in next class, what we'll do? We'll repeat the same. You see, we'll discuss about laboratory animals first. We will discuss about laboratory animals. Then we'll come to again the same these things, but it will be in faster mode, and it will be in
Sir.
question answer mode. You see, and meanwhile you
Sir,
have
ये cat
to submit all the assignments. Assignment on dogs and cats. आप बोलो क्या बोल रही थी?
सर ये कैट कंप्लीट हो गया?
कैट मोटा मोटी कंप्लीट हुआ है, और इसमें और हम अगले क्लास में कुछ लेके आएंगे इसमें, ठीक है? जनरल ओवरव्यू है कैट के बारे में, ठीक है?
यस सर।
कैट फीडिंग ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट है, और आपका ब्रीडिंग भी कंप्लीट है, कुछ ऐसा है नहीं इसमें ज्यादा, है ना? तो अगली क्लास में हम लोग क्या करेंगे, उसी का रिवीजन करेंगे, और इट विल बी इन क्वेश्चन आंसर राउंड. इस क्वेश्चन आंसर राउंड मोड में होगा, ठीक है?
यस सर.
यस सर।
ओके, तो आज इतना ही, और अगली क्लास में फिर उसको करना है बढ़िया से, ठीक है?
यस.
ठीक है, चलो असाइनमेंट सब लोग सबमिट करो जल्दी से,
ओके सर।
इम्पोर्टेंट है वो, ठीक है?
Yes.
चलो तब तक पढ़ते रहो, देखते रहो सब, ठीक है?
ओके सर।
Thank you, sir.
ठीक, चलो,
थैंक यू सर।
ओके.